Diplomatic sources confirmed today that a non-aggression treaty between Germany and the Soviet Union has been signed. Neither delegation revealed the details of the treaty, but the government of Poland has reportedly petitioned Great Britain and France to renew their commitments to contain German expansion in Europe. In other news, the German Interior Office released new figures today showing dramatic drops in unemployment and increases in the defense budget.
How can I help?
Right away. Mine coming down. Ready. How can I help? Okay.
How can I help?
Right away.
How can I help? Okay. Ready.
Ready.
Right away.
Mine coming down. Yeah?
Ready orders.
Ready. Right away. How can I help? Okay. Right away. Okay. Right away. Ready. Okay.
Ready.
Right away.
Ready. Okay.
Awaiting orders.
Mine coming down.
Go ahead, sir. Awaiting
Mine coming
orders.
down. How can I help? Ready. Right away. How can I help? Okay. Ready. Right away.
Ready.
Okay.
Ready. Right away. Ready, sir. Ready, sir.
Awaiting orders.
Sehr gut.
Go ahead. The Reichstag today confirmed that a state of war exists between Germany and Poland, citing unprovoked attacks by Polish troops along the border as the cause. The Polish government denied the accusations, but the German blitzkrieg has already swept across much of the Polish countryside. In response to unprovoked attacks against their allies in Europe, Great Britain today declared war on Germany. When pressed about the seemingly long odds against victory, Prime Minister Winston Churchill released the following statement. We shall fight on the beaches and in the streets. We shall not surrender one precious inch of England. Ready, sir. The Prime Minister went on to say that His Majesty's government capital today. The resources gained will surely prove beneficial to the German High Committee.
Ready.
How can I help? I'm coming up. We're under attack. Yeah?
The German Foreign Office was pleased to announce today the construction of another German capital. The minister went on to say that the German peoples are glad to provide the benefits of the greater German Reich to a sister nation. Spokesman for the sister nation in question declined to comment. Go ahead, Roger.
Ready? Okay. Right away. Ready? Right away. Okay. Right away.
Awaiting orders.
Yeah?
Continuing its program of attempting to dominate the European continent, Germany today declared war on the Republic of France and the Benelux countries. French government officials reportedly assured their people that the German advance would be easily halted at the border by the heavily fortified Maginot Line. General Charles de Gaulle was away at the front inspecting defenses and could not be reached for comment. Awaiting orders. Ready, sir. Go ahead. As you command. Ready, sir.
Roger. Ready. Okay.
Jet 4.
Yeah, I'm coming up. Your
Awaiting orders. Command. Awaiting orders.
Yeah, your ready, sir. We're under attack.
Awaiting orders.
I'm coming up.
Ready,
We're
sir.
under attack.
Jet 4, go ahead. Roger.
I'm coming up.
Awaiting orders. As you command. Jet 4.
Ready, ready. Ready. Right away. Ready.
Right away.
Ready, sir. As you command. Ready, sir. Jet 4.
Ready, sir.
Okay.
Ready, sir. Roger. Go ahead, Jet 4. Ready, sir.
We're under attack.
As you command.
We're under attack.
Jet 4. As you command.
Okay. Right away. Okay. We're under attack.
Awaiting orders.
Ready.
Okay. We're under attack.
Awaiting orders. Jet 4.
Ready.
German troops marched victoriously through the streets of another European capital today. The resources gained will surely prove
Yeah.
beneficial to the German High Command. As you command.
How can I help? Ready.
We're under attack.
Awaiting orders.
How can I help? Right away.
Okay. Ready, sir.
Ready, sir. As you command. Our course, sir. Plotting new course. Setting course. Awaiting orders. As you command.
Ready. Right away.
Ready, sir. Ready, sir. Roger.
How can I help? Ready. How can I help?
Okay. How can I help?
Right away.
Declaration of war was issued today by Germany against the countries of Denmark and Norway. Scandinavian officials refused to comment, but the German Foreign Office issued a press statement citing irreconcilable differences regarding access to the
I'm
Baltic.
coming up. Sehr gut. We are under attack.
Ready, sir.
We are under attack.
Ready, sir. Ready, sir.
How can I help? Ready.
Sehr gut.
First officer here. Setting course.
Ready, sir. Ready, sir.
How can I help? Ready.
This command. Our course, sir. First officer here. Plotting new course.
We are under attack.
Report.
We are under attack. We are under attack. We are under attack. We are under attack.
First
Plotting new
officer
course.
here. First officer here. Setting course. Plotting new course.
Ready, sir.
As you command.
How can I help?
Awaiting orders. As you command.
Go ahead. Ready, sir. 10-4. Go ahead, sir. Roger.
Yeah, I'm coming up. We are under attack.
Awaiting orders. And orders.
We are under attack. We are under attack.
Ready.
How can I help?
German authorities were pleased to announce today their total hegemony over continental Europe. The raids were arranged in many European capitals, while in Great Britain, Prime Minister Churchill reaffirmed that German victory on the continent would not weaken his nation's resolve to continue the struggle, with or without direct support from the United States.